Fans, a reminder, we are back in action on Thursday night here at the Red Mile. Kindergarten Trotters in town. Should be a fantastic program Thursday night, first post, 7 o'clock. Field of 8, they're on gate for the Sunday night finale. And they're off. Baby Blue Pajamas fires from the far outside. Fun Time also left a touch. As a Thank You Mama protects inside position into the opening turn. It's Baby Blue Pajamas, the 47-1 outsider, was up to take early control. Tyler Smith not taking any chances tonight with Fun Time. Fun Time, the favorite, is now on top midway around the opening turn. Thank You Mama came away racing in third. Laredo's Goose is fourth. Georgie and Jiffy Jane back in fifth in front of JV's Bad Boy. American Village is seventh. The Treller Air Little Pilgrim, they're past the opening quarter, just 30 seconds even. So a moderate opening clip there for the 3 to 5 favorite Fun Time, who carries a 4-length lead up the backstretch as they race towards the half. Baby Blue Pajamas in the loose pocket spot from second. It's 3 more back to Thank You Mama, who was gapped off as well from third. Laredo's Goose already underway to the outside fourth. JV's Bad Boy going to follow that move fifth past the half, 58-2. So the tempo quickened a bit there, 28-2 for that second quarter. Fun Time still all alone as they race out of the far turn. Baby Blue Pajamas begins to tighten back up. Laredo's Goose, he's now moves up to apply pressure on the outside for Bolin. JV's Bad Boy sets it up perfectly. Second over on the outside, fourth. Thank You Mama saves ground fifth. American Village moves into it third over from sixth. Their Little Pilgrim to the outside seventh. Georgie and Jiffy Jane has been shuffled back. It is now the Treller. They're past 3 quarters and 127-3. Fun Time took a bad step there at the top of the lane, but he tries to dig back in along the inside. Laredo's Goose out to the center of the track in second. JV's Bad Boy fighting for third with American Village as they hit mid-stretch. Fun Time still there. Laredo's Goose is trying out of the center. American Village third. Thank You Mama along the inside, but it's Fun Time. Tyler Smith sweeps the late double. Laredo's Goose was second. American Village appeared to snatch third from Thank You Mama. Air Little Pilgrim fifth, 155.